Do you know how to solve quadratic simultaneous equations like this? If you don't, watch this. So, I need to sub one into the other. I'm going to use substitution. I need to get either x or y by itself. So looking at this first equation, it's going to be easier to sub in for x. So rearrange this second equation to get x by itself. First thing I would do is take away 3y and then divide by 2. Now in this equation, instead of writing x, I'm going to write this fraction. Because it's squared, make sure you put brackets around it. So remember, squared means times them by itself. When you multiply fractions, you times the top times the bottom. Here I end up with double brackets, so I need to expand them like double brackets. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times negative 3y is negative 12y. Negative 3y times 4, negative 12y. And negative 3y times negative 3y is positive 9y squared. 2 times 2 is 4, and then write the rest. Right, to get rid of this fraction, because I can't divide all of these terms nicely by 4, I'm going to times the whole equation by 4. Now at this stage, make everything equal to 0 so you can solve it. So move all of those onto the other side. So 9y squared take away 12y squared is negative 3y squared. So that'll be positive 3y squared on the other side. This is negative 24y, so add 24y. And here we've got to do 52 take away 16, which leaves you with 36. Now I'm there, I can factorize it. So I'm going to have 3y and y, two terms that add to make 24 but multiply to make 36. It's normally the two closest factors of 36, which would be 6 and 6. So let's try those out. 3y times 6 is 18y, and 6 times y is 6y. They do add up to make 24, so they will work. So my two solutions, y equals negative 6, 3y plus 6 equals 0, so y would have to equal negative 2. Now to finish off, sub those in to find out what x is. So I'm going to sub it into this. Negative 3 times negative 2 is plus 6. 6 add 4 is 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Do the same for this one. Negative 3 times negative 6 is 18. 18 add 4 is 22. Divided by 2 is 11. So your final answers, y equals negative 2, x equals 5, y equals negative 6, and x equals 11. Done, 5 marks.